how to type at in your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can type at your laptop's keyboard. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, what you'll need to do is you will first need to simply press or find the at symbol at your keyboard. So it's normally at your numerical section right above 2. So 2 and at are at the same place. So what you'll have to do is press shift plus 2 at the same time to type at. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me open up my keyboard here. And after I open up my keyboard, so this is what your keyboard looks like. So right here in 2, you'll find at symbol. What you need to do to type in at is first press on shift, and together you'll need to press on 2. After doing that, you'll have typed in at. So let's do that here. Shift plus 2. There we go. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Take care.